everyone. I really should have been filming my dinner, but I just thought, alright, let me come and show you now. This has already been steaming in the oven for 2 hours, and I just removed the skin, just scored it up. We're gonna make this start browning up before I add my pineapple and my cherries, so you will see this in a while, guys, in a while. That's my lamb. I cut it to check it's cooked. All good. Just came out the oven, so we're just letting that rest. Yep. My half a leg of lamb, guys. I bought a smoked ham this year, and the juice is smoky and nice. So to this juice, I'm gonna add some mustard and some honey, and that's gonna be my honey and mustard glaze. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'll pour some of that pineapple juice into the glaze. Yeah. So now we're gonna dress this ham with the pineapple. Yep, and cherries, guys. Okay, all dressed up. Yes, guys, and I cover it in pineapple, and I double stack my cherries because I just love the pineapples and cherries, guys. And here I have my glaze, and we're just gonna pour this over the ham, all over the ham, and then we're gonna pop this back into the oven. Yeah, and then we'll be finished, guys. Yep. Okay, we're doing a few roasties, and remember the skin from the ham. Yes, guys, put that in with the potatoes and turn it into crackling. Yeah, so let's pop these in the oven. This is the juice I got from the lamb, guys. Yep. So we are just gonna drop some onions in there and jazz it up, a little bit of thyme. Yeah, this is our gravy. This is pure lamb juice. Yeah, just like that. Oh, cooker's getting a bit dirty. Don't worry, we're cooking Christmas dinner. So there's my ham, guys. Yes. I did have a few burnt cherries and I threw them away, but the ham is nicely cooked. Yeah, juicy Lucy. So now I'm gonna put this stuffing in the oven soon. I've got some chicken wings in the oven and some roast potatoes, and we're done. Oh gosh, I've got to finish off this gravy. This is the lamb gravy, guys. Pure juice off of the lamb. That's pure juice off of the lamb. We're gonna make up a gravy. Yep. I've got my onion, pepper, spring onion to put in that. Okay. Nearly finished. Lemon pepper chicken wings. Mac and cheese topped with garlic butter shrimps. So yummy, guys. OMG. guys, ready. Shrimp mac and cheese. Yeah. Nice. Yum, yum. Here's a finished plate, guys. Lemon pepper chicken, rice and peas, shrimp macaroni, honey glazed smoked ham, roast lamb. I've got some stuff in here. We got some roast potatoes here, some pig in blanket, some of my ham skin, coleslaw here. All I've got to do is put the gravy over my lamb, and that's me, guys. I didn't do no hot vegetable today. I will make some for Boxing Day. Yeah, we're gonna eat coleslaw. Yeah. How that look, guys? Merry Christmas. Enjoy your dinner. I'm gonna enjoy mine.